Imagine a scenario where Tesla, a leader in electric vehicles, partners with Pi Network, an emerging cryptocurrency platform. The idea of Tesla accepting Pi Network's global consensus value, or GCV, as a payment method could mark a significant milestone in the evolution of digital currencies. Such a partnership would not only validate Pi Network's approach to stable, community-driven value, but could also accelerate mainstream acceptance of cryptocurrencies. By bridging the gap between innovative automotive technology and decentralized finance, this collaboration has the potential to reshape how everyday transactions are conducted. The implications extend beyond just car purchases, hinting at a future where digital assets play a central role in global commerce. Tesla has long been recognized for its innovative approach, not only in electric vehicles, but also in the realm of digital finance. In 2021, the company made headlines by purchasing $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin and briefly accepting it as payment for its vehicles. This bold move signaled Tesla's willingness to embrace emerging technologies and challenge traditional financial systems. Although Tesla later paused Bitcoin payments due to environmental concerns, its actions demonstrated a forward-thinking attitude toward integrating cryptocurrency into mainstream business. This history sets the stage for considering how Tesla might engage with other digital currencies in the future. Pi Network distinguishes itself in the cryptocurrency landscape through its innovative mobile mining model, allowing users to earn Pi coins directly from their smartphones without the need for energy-intensive hardware. This approach makes participation accessible to a global audience, supporting the network's ambition of achieving mass adoption before its full mainnet launch. Central to Pi Network's vision is the Global Consensus Value, or GCV, which aims to stabilize the coin's worth by setting a community-driven benchmark. The GCV is designed to reduce volatility and provide a reliable metric for transactions, making Pi more appealing for everyday use. Together, these features position Pi Network as a potentially transformative force in the evolution of digital currencies. A potential partnership between Tesla and Pi Network could take several innovative forms. One scenario involves Tesla accepting Pi coin payments for vehicles or services, which would not only boost Pi Network's visibility, but also legitimize its use as a medium of exchange. Another possibility is the integration of Pi functionalities directly into Tesla's mobile app, allowing users to mine or spend Pi coins seamlessly within the Tesla ecosystem. Additionally, enabling Pi payments at Tesla charging stations could provide real-world utility for Pi holders and further encourage adoption. Each of these scenarios would signal a significant step forward in merging the automotive and cryptocurrency sectors, potentially influencing broader industry trends. While the idea of Tesla accepting Pi Network's global consensus value as payment is compelling, several challenges must be addressed before such a partnership could materialize. Regulatory compliance is a significant hurdle, as cryptocurrency laws differ widely across countries, and Tesla would need to ensure it meets all legal requirements. Price stability is another concern, given the current gap between Pi's community-driven valuation and its actual market price, which could introduce financial risks. Cooperation with banks would be essential for facilitating fiat conversions and ensuring smooth transaction settlements. Finally, integrating Pi Network's payment system into Tesla's existing infrastructure would require substantial technical development and rigorous testing to guarantee security and reliability. A partnership between Tesla and Pi Network could have far-reaching effects across multiple industries. Such a collaboration might accelerate mainstream cryptocurrency adoption, as millions of Pi users could be incentivized to engage with Tesla's products and services. Traditional banks may begin to take notice, potentially integrating Pi Network's global consensus value into their offerings and bridging the gap between digital and fiat currencies. The automotive sector could witness a transformation in payment systems, with electric vehicle purchases and charging services embracing crypto transactions. Investor confidence in both Tesla and Pi Network would likely surge, positioning them at the forefront of financial and technological innovation. A potential partnership between Tesla and Pi Network stands at the intersection of innovation and mainstream adoption in the cryptocurrency world. While the idea presents exciting possibilities, such as legitimizing Pi Network and accelerating the use of digital currencies in everyday transactions, it also comes with significant challenges. Regulatory complexities, market volatility, and technical integration hurdles must be carefully addressed for such a collaboration to succeed. If realized, this partnership could reshape the financial landscape, bridging the gap between traditional banking and the emerging crypto economy. Ultimately, the fusion of Tesla's influence and Pi Network's vision holds the promise to transform how people interact with money and technology in daily life.